Hello there, Rory Mitchell, Hit Chef Academy. Today I'm in the kitchen. Who am I with?
Regan and I'm 5.
You're 5, yes. And what we're going to be doing today, Regan?
Making banana bread.
Okay, so what we've found out is sometimes we have a few bananas left over,
Yes.
don't we?
Yeah.
And they've gone a bit brown and they're not very good for eating, are they? Because you like bananas to be really yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah? So what do we do when we've got some bananas? Do we just throw them in the bin?
No.
Why not?
We can just bake with some and just mash it up sometimes.
Yeah, and what do we make with it?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. So, we've already cut our bananas up, haven't we?
Yes.
So should we show everybody the bananas?
Yes.
So we've got our bananas there. As you can see, they're a bit brown. They're not very good for eating, but they're fantastic for banana bread. Because all the sugar in there has gone really nice now. It's going to make it really nice and sugary. Right. What I want you to do first then?
Mash it up.
Mash it all up. Go
You
on.
have to mash it all up.
Now, do you know why you have to mash it up?
No.
So you have to mash it up so you don't get any lumps of banana in there. You want it to be nice and smooth. Otherwise you'll get big chunks of banana and then you'll have no banana in it, some of it. So keep smashing it up, that's okay. So what we're going to do next, we're going to put the butter and we're going to use our machine today, aren't we? So it makes it a bit easier.
Yeah, it makes it easier.
Okay, put your butter in then. So all...
Put your butter in. Slice it really in.
Yeah. Go on all the way in there. That's good.
Sometimes just ask the grown-up to help you put it in because it'll maybe be hard to put in.
Yeah, sometimes a grown-up's better. Put the sugar in, don't drop it.
Put the sugar
That's
in.
nice, easy. Right.
Oh.
That's good. So we'll put them away to be washed in a minute.
Yes.
Something we forgot to tell everybody is we've already lined our tin with some butter and some baking paper as well. So the butter and the sugar's in there. Let's start this up. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll come back once that's all creamed, can't we? Okay. Okay. So
Now our mixture is all done.
Shall we show everybody?
Yeah, I'm going to show them.
What are you showing them?
Here's our mixture.
So that's the butter and the sugar. Now
Yeah,
that's
butter and sugar, all done.
all creamed together.
Yeah, all creamed together.
So the next thing we need to add some of the eggs, don't we?
Yeah, to add the eggs.
You want me to do that bit? Okay, so what we do, we add a couple of eggs at a time.
Yeah, a couple of eggs at a time.
If you add them all together, what happens?
It doesn't come like a nice mixture then.
No, it doesn't mix very well, does it?
Yeah, it
So
doesn't.
what we do to stop that from happening is we add a little bit of our flour to that as well. Only a little bit, and we'll put that on there, and we'll just start to mix that up. So that shouldn't take too long. I'm going to add the other eggs now to this. And I'm going to give it a bigger stir.
A bigger stir. A bigger stir.
Let's mix it all together.
You can look inside if you're doing this recipe too.
We'll show everybody in a minute once it's all mixed together. We need to see the
And
one.
look at the don't.
So that's all mixed together. Next we're going to add the flour.
Now.
Do you want to do the flour?
Yep.
Go on and be careful.
Do we have to put all of it?
This is self-raising flour. You're going to do it with me? Okay, yeah, we can put all of it in now.
All that.
Add that all in.
And if you want to just look at our bananas, it's starting to get a bit now more like mashed up.
More mashed up.
Yeah, more mashed up now.
Right, let's press start on here. And then we'll put the bananas in after that. Are you going to put the bananas in? I'll put all the bananas in. So they're all nice and gooey. Are you messing about? I think your attention span's about 2 minutes, isn't it, Regan? I think it's good that you're doing a little dance for everybody at home while I'm doing this. It's like a little bit of entertainment while people watch me cook. Okay? Can you come and press start on here then, please?
I didn't do this.
Push it that way.
That way.
Yep. There we go.
Just needed a stir.
Yeah, we need to. Now we're folding it together nice and slow, aren't we? Okay.
All mixed up.
All mixed up now, isn't it? Shall we show everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's all mixed up. As you can see, we've got a nice, lovely mix. So do you want to pour it in?
Yes.
Come on, and I'll help. Shall we do it together?
Yeah, let's make it together.
Okay, so let's pour the mixture in.
Pour it all in.
And this will be a little bit wetter than your normal cake
Yeah.
batter or anything like that, because you've got all that banana in there, and the water content in the banana will make it a bit better, a bit wetter. But what that does is that adds a nice gooiness and chewiness to it as well. Okay.
And now it's all gone into there.
So we need to give it a shake. You're going to do it a shake? And then bang it down. Brilliant. So what that does is, that makes it all level out. So we don't need to use a spoon or anything to level it out. So what we're going to do, we're going to stop there. We're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put it on 180 degrees or gas mark 4. And we're going to do that for 30 minutes.
Hi, we're back now. The banana bread is cooled. Now we're doing the icing on.
Do you just want to take over? Or do you...
I just want to do this.
You're going to do that bit. So what we've done, we've let it cool down, haven't we? And it's nice and cool now. On the rack for about an hour. So it's nice and cool. What we've done here, made some icing.
Yes.
Okay, so all we've done is we've mixed some icing sugar and some water. So we've got a nice glossy icing like that. We like icing on ours, don't
Yeah,
we?
we don't like
What do you think the icing does?
it. Make it like more sweeter.
Yeah, it makes it more sweeter, doesn't it?
Yes.
So what I'll do, I'll put this onto the plate for you.
Plate, and
Okay.
then we're gonna put it all in that swizzle.
So, come on, you pour it out. That's what we want. Lots of icing, don't we, on there?
And I'll spread it on.
Yeah, okay, brilliant. And now what you can do is you can put all the things on top, can't you? Like nuts, or you
Bananas.
can put some more banana on top. And we're just going to leave this one without that though, aren't we?
Yeah, we just want to.
Okay, so it's finished now, isn't it? And what we've done is we've already cut a piece off, haven't we?
Yeah.
She's eaten it, but she's not coming on the video, is she?
No.
So shall I cut you a piece off?
No, you first.
Me first, okay.
No, actually me.
You first?
Yeah.
Is that big enough?
No.
That big enough?
Yes.
That's a big piece. Are you going to eat all that?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat.
Okay. So we're going to cut that down. And you can see it's really nice and soft in the middle, isn't it? But still nice and moist.
Yeah.
Okay. You have that piece then. There you go. And I'm just going to have a smaller piece. Because I don't want a big piece like that.
Okay.
You want a fork?
Yes, please.
There you go. You tell me what it tastes like then.
Tastes
Nice.
delicious.
Lovely. So you're going to say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Say thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching our video.